The Beauty of Biology presents Manifestation, Principles of Treatment, and Principles of Preventions of Diseases by Satyam Rauniyar. How a person knows that she is suffering from a diseases. The answer is, by observing the signs and symptoms of diseases. Manifestation. Manifestation means, showing, as, if we get a disease. A symptom or sign indicates that we suffering from a disease. A pathogen travels to a specific part of our body after entering in our body and increases its number there. The signs and symptoms of disease thus depend upon the tissue or organ which the pathogen targets. The severity of disease manifestations depends upon the number of microbes in the body. Types of manifestation. There are two types of manifestations: organ-specific manifestation and tissue-specific manifestation. Organ-specific manifestation. In an organ-specific manifestation, the pathogen enters the body and travels to a specific organ and multiply there. Example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes tuberculosis usually enters the body through the nose, and migrates to the lungs. Tissue-specific manifestation. In a tissue-specific manifestation, the pathogen enters into a tissues and damage it. Example, human immunodeficiency virus HIV enters in our body and attacks the white blood cells WBCs and kill them. This is tissue or cell-specific manifestation. Principles of treatment of a disease. What you do after acquiring a disease. You take treatment for the disease by a doctor. There are two ways to treat a disease: reducing the effect of the diseases, and killing the pathogens which are the cause of the diseases. Reducing the effects of diseases. To reduce the effects of diseases, medicines are provided to reduce the pain or bring down the fever which are symptoms. Symptomatic treatment may help to reduce the impact of a disease, but it might not outright cure it. Illness like the common cold does not have a cure. Killing the pathogens which are the cause of the diseases. Each microbe undergoes some specific biochemical life process which helps them to survive. The intake of certain drugs that block these biochemical processes can help in killing the microorganism causing the disease. For example, bacteria make a cell wall to protect themselves. The intake of antibiotics blocks the bacterial processes that build the cell wall. As a result, the growing bacteria becomes unable to make cell walls, and die easily. Antibiotics. Any substance that inhibits the growth and replication of a bacterium or kills it can be called an antibiotic. They are produced by certain bacteria and fungi. How antibiotics inhibits the growth of bacteria and kill it. Antibiotics inhibits the growth of bacteria and kills it by attacking the cell wall or coating surrounding bacteria, interfering with bacteria reproduction, blocking DNA, RNA, and protein production in bacteria. Principles of prevention. For airborne diseases. For airborne diseases, we can prevent exposure by avoiding overcrowded places and maintaining social distancing. For waterborne diseases. For waterborne microbes, we can prevent exposure by providing safe and pure drinking water. For vector-borne diseases. For vector-borne diseases, we can provide clean environment, proper nourishment. Our immune system also plays an important role in killing off microbes. So, proper nourishment is necessary for better functioning of our immune system. Vaccination. Vaccination should be done to prevent us from diseases. Do you know, suffering from a disease once is a means of preventing subsequent attacks by the same pathogen. There are a lot of pathogens in mud, so playing in mud makes you ill once. So, for the first time our immune system responds against it specifically. Next time when the same microbe enters our body, the immune system responds with greater vigor which eliminates the infection more quickly than the first time. Immunity. The overall ability of the body to fight against disease-causing microorganisms with the help of immune system is called immunity. Thank you. A presentation by Satyam Rauniyar.